Hello class, we are in our last lesson for 2.6, writing an argument about past environments. Activity 1, making inferences about the upper layer. So the last time you guys were in my class, you guys made inferences about the lower layer. Now we're talking about the upper layer. We wrote an argument about what the environment of Desert Rocks National Park was like when the lower rock layer formed. We made inferences using data and ideas about sedimentary rock and fossils, which led to the claim that the environment in the lower layer used to be a floodplain. We will now make inferences about the upper layer and write an argument using evidence about what the environment was like when it formed. You guys will be referencing this article, which we did last week, about the mudstone and the two different fossils that were found there. You can also use the pages that I have attached from our Fossil Hunter's Handbook. Okay. We linked data and ideas together as evidence in support of our claim that the environment in the Desert Rocks National Park used to be a floodplain. We will use evidence circles routine again to discuss our inferences, make a claim, and support the claim with evidence, except since we're not in class, we will not have actual evidence circles. What was the environment of Desert Rocks National Park like when the upper rock layer formed? Okay, this brings us to our argument. Remember that part of our role as geologists for Desert Rocks National Park is to communicate our findings to the park director. Make sure you follow these guidelines. Your scientific argument must answer the question, and it must have evidence to support your claim. Your evidence can be data and ideas from the book, from the sim, from these slides. You need to be able to connect the evidence and the claim by showing that different evidence can link together, okay? And you may also use scientific language. You will write a scientific argument that includes a claim that answers the question and includes supporting evidence. You will find these worksheets in Google Classroom as well. Record your claim as the first sentence of your argument. In your written argument, remember to use the evidence that you recorded on this page. Write your argument about what the environment was like when the upper layer formed. Remember, we claimed that the environment when the upper rock layer formed was different from the environment when the lower rock layer formed. Chapter 2 question: what was the environment of Desert Rocks National Park like in the past? That will be the end of this lesson. Make sure that when you guys are writing your scientific argument that you answer both pages. There are 2 worksheets. What I'm really looking for is your claims and how you support them with evidence. Thank you. See you all next time.